Hey guys, welcome back to PhotoCut. In today's video, we're going to see how to remove text from photos using Photoshop. First, load the image in Photoshop. Pick the Quick Selection tool and select the text you want to remove from the photo. Then go to the Select tab and under Modify, click on the Expand option. Put in 15 in the Pixels section and click on OK. After this, go to the Edit tab and select the Fill option. Then under Contents, keep it content aware and click on OK. Click on the Deselect option. Select the Spot Healing Brush tool and correct the picture until it is clean. Do this for all the texts you want to remove from the photo. And your image is ready to export. But there's an even easier way you can do this. By just using your phone. Start by downloading the PhotoCut app, using the link provided in the description below. After installing the app, open it to discover its numerous features. It's designed to boost your creative potential in ways you never thought were possible with a mobile app. Begin by selecting the Remove Text feature. You will then have the option to choose an existing photo from your gallery or capture a new one. For this tutorial, I will use the same photo. Now PhotoCut's advanced AI technology takes over. It operates swiftly and efficiently, eliminating the need for any manual intervention on your part. And just like that, all the text is removed from your photo, leaving it ready for any creative endeavor you have in mind. However, PhotoCut's offerings don't stop there. When exporting your edited photo, you are given the choice between PNG and JPG formats. Moreover, PhotoCut ensures that you don't have to compromise on quality. It allows you to select your preferred resolution to guarantee that your photo remains sharp and vibrant in any setting. And that's how you effortlessly remove any text from a photo using AI. If you found this video helpful, then drop a like and subscribe for more awesome videos. Also, don't forget to take your photo editing to the next level by downloading the PhotoCut app. Available now on both the Play Store and App Store. Click the link in the description to download PhotoCut and start creating stunning images today. That's all for today, and I'll see you in the next video.